Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be all about the Halo Infinite Limited Edition Xbox Series X console. Now right off the bat, I've got to say this is going to be very hard to find and actually get. Myself, I tried to order it on the Microsoft website maybe like a few seconds after it was announced and I didn't even get it, but I did end up finding a way to pre-order the actual console and the Elite Series 2 controller, which I'll let you guys know how I actually did that later on in the video. But before we start talking about price and how to pre-order it and everything, I just want to let you guys know what I think about the actual console and controller itself. I think this thing is awesome. Like, if you're a big Halo fan, you definitely need this. It is just such a nice design. Like, it's really minimal but still kind of out there. I'm not really a big fan of when the limited edition series consoles come out and they look like really messy with lots of big graphics and logos. This one is super subtle. It looks really cool. You've got like Spartan armor on there, you've got iridium gold accents, and then the top half of the console has these Zeta Halo stars around it, which looks very good. Like, as soon as I saw the whole like star system on there, I was sold. I was like, this looks so cool. And I'm a big astronomy fan, so you know, I like stars and stuff. Now, this console was also made to celebrate 20 years of Halo, so like I was saying before, if you're a big fan of the Halo series, you definitely need to pick this up. You've got a gold Xbox logo on there, and the on and off sounds are actually Halo sound effects too, which I thought was just super cool. The very top has a blue circle, which is to represent Cortana, and it just looks so good. Like, I just can't believe how good this thing looks. Just the gray, the black, the gold, the stars. Even the controller itself looks really good too. It's just basically taking the same design from the actual console and bringing it over to the Xbox controller. Now, for the Elite 2 controller, we're looking at $200 US or 259 Canadian dollars, and this thing looks super badass. It's got that Master Chief military green, black buttons, and a gold D-pad. You get interchangeable controller pieces as well, USB-C charging in a case. You've got Spartan 117 written on the top right, blue lights in the middle, and this thing just looks clean. Such a cool controller, and I cannot wait to unbox this on the channel. So yes, that controller is definitely expensive, but now let's talk about the console. So if you guys are from the United States, you're looking at $550 US, and if you're from Canada like myself, you're looking at $650. So pretty standard pricing for the actual console itself, but something nice that you do get is a digital download code for Halo Infinite. Now, for the release date, we are looking at November 15th, 2021. That's when the limited edition Halo console and Elite controller are going to be launching, and then the actual Halo Infinite game is going to be launching a little bit later on December the 8th. And what I'm planning on doing while I'm waiting for Halo Infinite to come out is just replaying a bunch of the Halo games to refresh my memory on all of the other games and just lead me right into the new one. I have the Master Chief collection right now, so I'm definitely going to be playing that, and I think it's on Xbox Game Pass as well, so if you don't own the physical disc, then you can just play it like that. I am just so excited for this game. I haven't been playing Halo in a little while now, and I definitely miss it. Like, it's one of my favorite game series of all time, so I cannot wait for this console to come out so I can play all of the older games and then just play the new one for a long time. Okay, so now let's move on to pre-orders and how to actually put an order through. So like I said earlier in the video, it is super hard. I was literally on the Microsoft website. I was very quick typing in all my info and I didn't even get it. They sold out super quick, so you've really got to be on top of this. So there's going to be a mix of some stores that are doing in-person and some stores that are doing online. Now, doing it online obviously opens up the doors to bots and people just reselling, but the stores that are going to be doing the online pre-orders are Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, the Microsoft Xbox Store, and Target. And so far it looks like GameStop is really like the only store that's doing in-person pre-orders. That's actually how I got mine. I didn't think my local GameStop was going to be doing it, but I called them up and I was like, hey, are you guys doing pre-orders for the console and controller? And they were like, yeah man, do you want one? Just come on in, put a $50 deposit down and we can save it for you. And that's exactly what I did. So I do have the console coming in and the Elite 2 controller. Super excited to get it, and I will definitely be unboxing it on the channel for you guys. So if you guys are new to the channel, I definitely recommend to subscribe. And if you're someone who's looking for the console for yourself, I definitely recommend to call GameStop and just ask them if they're doing the in-person pre-orders, because if you're lucky enough, you can get a pre-order for yourself. Now, I'm also going to link a couple websites down below in the description that basically have links to all of those online retailers, so that it's going to be super easy for you guys to just click a link and it brings you right to the website of that retailer. Because like I said, you've got to be really quick with these pre-orders because of how fast they sell out. Now, you can also do other things like follow restock accounts on things like Twitter and Reddit, but I would definitely recommend to call local retailers just like I did, because I found that was really easy. Like, I think they told me I was the first or second person that called them about the console, and that almost nobody even knew that they were doing in-person pre-orders because they didn't say anything on their website. So definitely give GameStop a call, and hopefully you can pick up the console and the controller if you're planning on buying that too. Or worst case scenario, if you have the money to burn, you can always buy it off of eBay because those scalpers have been posting tons of them on there. They're definitely going for a pretty high price, but if you're someone that just like needs that Halo edition and doesn't care how much it is, that could always be an option. It's not one that I recommend because of how expensive it is, but if you really need it, that is an option. One other thing that I want to mention is we don't have any concrete pre-order dates for the console for all of those retailers, so I would definitely recommend to be in the loop on Twitter with those restock accounts and then constantly just checking the website and seeing if they update anything. But as of right now, you at least know what retailers are going to be carrying this limited edition console. And the last thing that I want to talk about is pre-order bonuses. So it looks like Best Buy, GameStop, and Walmart are offering in-game DLC pre-order bonuses. You're going to be getting the Zeta Sky armor and weapon coatings, as well as the Chosen emblem and nameplate. Best Buy's actually throwing in a free Steelbook case and a $10 reward credit for My Best Buy members. And Walmart's also including an MK50 sidekick weapon. Now this is the only pre-order bonuses that we really know of right now. Now it is possible that there's going to be more pre-order bonuses closer to the launch, and I'm sure those retailers and Microsoft will let us know. But as of right now, the only pre-order bonuses that we know about is the Zeta Sky armor, weapon coating, emblem, nameplate, the Best Buy Steelbook, and the Walmart exclusive MK50. That's it, but I'm pretty sure they're going to explain it a little bit better when we're a little bit closer to the actual launch. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. Leave a comment down below if you guys were lucky enough to actually pick up a pre-order for this console or the actual controller. Like I said, I was very lucky in getting a pre-order for both, and if you guys are interested in watching my unboxing for it on November 15th, I definitely recommend to subscribe. I just can't wait for this game. Like, I haven't played Halo in a little bit over a year, and I am ready to just grind through all of those games and then just play Halo Infinite for hours on end, and I can't wait to unbox it. Like, these products just look fantastic. So yeah, if you're someone that really wants this thing, I hope you can get your hands on it. Hopefully this video helped you out on your pursuit to pick it up. But yeah, that's it from me. Thank you again for watching. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.